In this video, we will take a look how the product targeting works. So first of all, you can either create a new field. Back here you can create field, simple text box or product options. But in my case, we will go to the existing field. It's called Textfield 1. We will click the edit pencil and the create page will open up. Now always the targeting section is in the very bottom, and you will see here on the question on which product, and here we have then the default targeting options. So by default, it's set to show feeds on all products and show feeds on all the variants. That means even if I add a new product, also this feed will also come up on the new products I added to my store. I have then the opportunity to whether say I want to show it on these products, these variants, or these collections. So these are the default and easy targeting options. That means if I go with this one, for example, these products, I have the option to click the button choose product, and I have listed all of my products in this resource picker and can tick and untick them, and text will be attached to each of these selections. But I can also go with this variants. Here also the resource picker will open up, and in this case it will list all of the sub variants which is included in the respective product. So I can also say I just want to show it for white M, for black S and black L, for example. And then the feed will just appear on these selected variants. But in my case, let's cancel it. It's fine. We will go further. I can also go with BIS collections. I can select the collection from my store, can add the collection. And here the advantage is that, if I will target a specific collection and will add at a later point new products, then also for the new products I will put in this collection, the field will show up. So these are all of the basic targeting options, but I can also say if I'm just going with this option, I keep it in all products, and I have here also some more variant targeting modifications. So I can either say show it on all variants or show it on this variant. So I can make a condition, let's say I have multiple products. I just want to show it always for color green. Then this will now work for all of the products that I don't have to select them manually through this resource picker. So just if this condition matches, the field will show up. In addition, we also have here that I can say variants that match all of these conditions or none of these conditions. So these are all options which can work out. But in my case, it's fine like it is. And they've now also talked about the advanced options you have here in this line block. In this main block, we have also any at all. So that means if I go here, then we can say, for example, I can target this particular field to a product that match any of these conditions. That means it has to match any individual, and for each of any conditions other than that, it will show up. For example, if I say product is one of, I'll select this, then it has to show here. But I can also say product title equal hello, then it will also show here. And it will show for each of these individual, but not combined. If I want to have this rule that I want to have more conditions, and I will set it to all in this case, and then I can add multiple conditions, and it will then just match the combination. So then, for example, product title has to be hello, and maybe also the product has to be this one. Then just in combination of this and this condition, both together have to match, then it will show. But I always recommend to keep it simple, to just use the options here above. Then it's very easy to just select them from the resource picker, and you will not get confused at a later point. You can just edit it and update it here. After you have done these things, you can just click the Save button, and your text field or option field will show up according to your section. In my case, it's shown here.